Welcome back to another, not bag review by Dave Sam, but an unboxing. I am very excited. I've had a great couple of days for packages. I got the Alpha 19er 1.5 Evade, but the special edition through Carryology, in collaboration with Carryology, whatever you want to call it, the Stealth Cobra. Let's get into it. All right, right off the bat, comes in this nice packaging, Alpha 19er packaging on both sides, or branding on both sides. Zip pouch. Oh. All right, and you can already feel the weight of it overall. It feels really nice to the touch so far. Feels great. It's made out of this X50 / Dyneema or with Dyneema fabric, which is a version of X-Pack. There's like maybe 50 versions of X-Pack or something like that. This one comes with this specialized patch, the Stealth Cobra in the middle, the Alpha 19er symbol on one side, and then the Carryology symbol or logos on the other side. This is just Velcroed on, so you can take it off, replace it with another patch. Each one of the Carryology drops kind of has their own patch, at least the bigger bags do, or the backpacks do. I don't know if some of the smaller things had their own patches that came with them. So outside of the bag, all black everything. A little weak in the knees. It looks so good. I like it a lot. Like I said, it's fairly heavy. Harness system looks nice, feels nice. I like that there's strap keeps on both of the load lifters. Oh, love the new fid lock, which is something that is new for this version, or special, I guess, for this version, is this fid lock sternum strap. Buckles on the bottom of the bag here. Not sure what those would really generally be for. I don't see where any of this stuff could be hidden, so it would just be flopping around, but maybe there's good use for it. On the back, ooh, nice, firm paneling. I like that. It's very thick. It's just under the whole finger length, or the whole first digit of the finger. And then it has this, ooh, nice. It is Velcroed and a little bit stretchy, is a luggage pass-through, which is also really nice. I've never really seen a stretchy luggage pass-through. That might be really interesting to use. I'll have to report back on how it is. And then closing out the outside, got water bottle, gusseted water bottle pockets on both sides. Don't know what they fit yet, but I will let you know in the real review. And then nice little top handle. You can already feel the top handle is maybe a little bit too close to the bag, but it does feel good. It's nice and padded, but I could see if this bag was packed out how it might be hard to grab this. Jumping to the inside of the bag, let's start with this front pocket here. These zippers are interesting. They kind of swoop at the bottom, which is pretty cool. This flops straight down, and then there is a nice mesh zippered compartment on this side, or on the front side, outside of the bag. On the inside, the very top here, what you're seeing is the inside of this other pocket here. We'll get there in a second. There is a nice little loop at the top here, so you can attach, or Alpha 19er has all these other attachments that use these Moskoyovsky loops, or whatever they're called. Zippered compartment on the inside here, which is really nice. You can stuff anything in here, of course. And then in the front of that is a Velcro panel, and I'm just gonna show you. There's Velcro on this whole panel, so this entire panel actually comes off, can be replaced, and if you have important things in here, of course, things that you want to take with you, you can take those items with you on the go without taking your whole bag, which is pretty cool. And then another zippered compartment on this Velcroed pouch thing. Last but not least, a little key lash or key loop, which is always nice, always appreciate. Moving to the top, this compartment here. Not in the patented Carryology orange, but I think that's because it is this, like, I don't know, wool, felt, some sort of nice feeling compartment for your phone, screens, glasses, things like that, just so you don't have to scratch or get anything scratched. And while I'm here, all the zippers are these reverse coil YKK zippers. So They're not AquaGuard zips, but they are still pretty water resistant, which is nice. We'll move to the back in the laptop compartment. Patented orange, very nice. Couple of areas for the laptop, or a couple of compartments here. Laptop compartment itself is not suspended, but it is really padded. And then it has this thing on the bottom. It's a pretty interesting way to go about the laptop compartment without necessarily adding the padding into the bag, so you can pull it out if you aren't using it for your laptop. And then 2 more compartments, very flat compartments here for, I assume, papers, tablet, something like that. And at the top, Alpha 19er logo. Forgot about this compartment on the back here. So this bag has 1 compartment all the way on the back, right up against the back paneling here. And this compartment has like a Velcro interior. I think they say it's made specifically for concealed carry. You can obviously use it for other things. There is one of those loopy things, those plastic loops that was at the top of this front compartment in here as well. So you could add maybe one of those pouches that I was talking about in here and use it for some other kind of carry. You could of course put anything flat in here, notebook, magazines, tablet, and then you can access that from both sides. So if you're a righty or a lefty, which I always appreciate. Last but not least, let's jump into the main compartment, and I'll start the bag side. So when you open it up, again, 2 mesh zippered compartments here, kind of mirroring what's up on the front. Both stretch the entire width of the bag. Another one of those loopy guys. And then on the back, a nice Velcro panel here. Got some nylon loops on either side. And on the back, you see the namesake X-Pack, exposed X-Pack material here. This is what gives it its quote-unquote scales for that stealth Cobra look, which I really, really dig personally. That is the Alpha 19er 1.5 Evade Stealth Cobra Carryology Edition. Can't wait to come out with the review, but for now, unboxing and first look. Looks beautiful, feels great, a little bit heavy, but I think I'm gonna love it. Now that we've taken a look at the Alpha 19er Carryology bag, let's talk a little bit about Carryology. This guy right here, if you can see him, he's the senior editor at Carryology. His name's Taylor Weldon, I wanna say. Yeah, Taylor Weldon. Guy's a genius. He has been on fire, or at least Carryology's been on fire with the releases, the drops that they've had over, I want to say, the last year or so. The first one that I had a chance to get in on was the James Brand Rover Edition. So just a nice set of tools and a pen. Was beautiful, still is. Use it almost every day, actually. I bring it with me everywhere. It's fantastic. But since then, he's released so many things. Boots that were branded with Carryology, several bags. So the Alpha 19er, this Mystery Ranch X Carryology, I think it calls it the Unicorn. There's another Mystery Ranch one, the Urban Assault 24. There's the Air Day Sling, the Takoi, I want to say, collection. So many bags that he's released, so many things that he's released where he's taken, I think, some of his own style, some of his own improvements, some of the feedback from the community that he's gotten as he's used any of these bags, and really worked with the brands to release these newer versions or these limited drop versions, which are branded specially, have some cool colors, and of course just have a few of those features that make it even better to use. And almost all of these bags have been epic to use personally. When you read about the originals, those were bags that were heralded all over the internet. So he clearly knows what he's doing. He clearly knows who he's partnering with and why. So thanks, Taylor. Great job. And thank you, Carryology. And in this case, Alpha 19er. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.